morning, guys. It is Sunday, the next day. Got some good sleep. My eyes don't feel so swollen this morning. Apparently I was snoring last night, which I don't ever snore. But we're gonna go on a little drive this morning to the boat launch towards Cedarville. Aren't we, Tico? Do you want to go for a... We'll go for a ride? Go bye-bye? Alright. Here we go. Going soon. Get some coffee. Maybe a Pines breakfast sandwich. This is the honey we get. It's from Pickford, Michigan. And it is probably one of the best honeys I've ever had. They're all fresh honeys are great, but this is just from our local feed station. He sells this. And apparently, I don't know if it's true or not, from what I understand, I guess like the White House or something buys this for their honey. Pickford, Northern Michigan. This stuff is so good. Put it on your cereal. But they started a fire outside. Now we're going to start cleaning. It should only take us like an hour.
Yeah, I already started cleaning it. So.
Oh yeah, she did the dishes. Or most of them.
Then I couldn't stand anymore.
And Daisy? What are you doing? Daisy. It is. It is.
She's making her debut. It is.
Daisy.
No.
Alright, all this stuff's going in the...
Sweet girl.
Going upstairs in the attic.
Make sure you get the good stain in there, too.
Tico. It's from... He got a hold of some of the baby shampoo and opened it
Yeah,
up.
a huge bottle that was probably worth like $15 and a rug, apparently. So I've been working on that weekly.
I don't recommend doing this all the time. It's kind of funny because I think the last video I did it, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. It's pre-workout, by the way. I don't even take pre-workout to work out. I rarely take it. But when you gotta get things done... Alright, it is 3:45 right now. We finished the house. It is completely cleaned. Pretty much. It's completely like the floors are done, the rooms are done, so now I can do whatever the heck I want. It feels great. So now we're gonna cook some food. We're gonna do some Instapot stuff, which we haven't done in a while, but it's really easy.
Are you cooking tonight, sweetie?
Alright, it's about 4 o'clock right now, and we are gonna make an Instapot for dinner because we haven't made that in a long time. Instapot's so easy. If you don't own an Instapot, you should buy one because I'm telling you what, it takes zero effort. You just add the ingredients, turn it on, cook it, the end. It's great. But we're making some lime chicken, some shredded lime chicken today. So, got some chicken breasts. This was frozen, so there's still a little bit frozen. I'm gonna just take the fat off, as much fat as I can. Bowl, because I'm gonna cook it up for the dogs. I hate wasting things. Right there, that is empty, and a lot of people would be like, why would you want an empty refrigerator? Well, we're about to go shopping again. We're about to go shopping again at Aldi's, and it's just easier when there's no waste food in there, and you come home and just stock everything back up in the fridge without going through it and throwing things away and just being wasteful. I hate it. Absolutely hate it. So it was like the first time in a long time we actually were able to burn out our refrigerator, which is nice. Alright, I'm just going to add these chicken breasts into here. Shave this a little bit. This knife is pretty darn sharp right now, which is really nice because I just sharpened it. Cooking with a dull knife sucks. So I'm adding these in. I'm gonna wash my utensils real quick. Guess I will just throw in here and spray it with some bleach.
I can't dribble.
Alright, make sure you wipe them off on your chest or your belly. Next ingredients, you got 4 limes. You're only supposed, I mean, like 2 limes would work, but these things are babies. There's not much juice in them. But I'll do these in, let's do 6 cloves of garlic. Mince these. One onion. The duller your blade is, the more oils it releases in the onion, which makes you tear up. So the sharper it is, I'm actually licking this a little bit.
Crying.
Pretty much. Loosen up these limes a little bit. Like I said, there's not much in them, like at all. Pretty dry. So I'm really gonna roll them. Obviously add salt, pepper, and the salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin, and I think that's it. We're going to turn this on high for 12 minutes. Alright, now it's all done cooking. I'm doing a release the pressure.
Release the pressure!
There it is. Now we're gonna check the temperature, make sure it's 165. Internal temperature has to be 165. It's 181. Now you just shred it. That's all. 15 minutes, not even. And that's it. So I'll shred it down here in a little while after it cools off, and then we'll show you what it looks like. Super simple. All right. Ooh. All right. Well, that's all shredded right there. The best way to shred it is with 2 forks. You just shred it right in the pot so you don't dirty any other dishes. I'm doing some black beans right here, season those. And I'm doing some rice right there. I'll add some seasoning to the rice because that's just white rice. White jasmine rice. But got some tortillas. What else do I have? Oh, I'll put some cheese on it and call her good. Saf's about to do her baby shower.
Well, it's my cousin's baby shower.
Her cousin's baby shower.
We're doing it on Zoom. COVID friendly.
So, while she does that, I'll be playing FIFA 2021 that I just bought because it was on sale. So I'm going to do the next hour or two and relax because it was a very productive weekend but very busy weekend. But I think that's going to be the whole weekend. Might play some guitar later, but who knows. But if not, this is it. This is my closeout. Y'all have a good day, good night. Whenever you watch this, stay positive, stay healthy, keep your head up, try something new, and relax. Relax like little Ravy over here. Oh, by the way, look at this house. Like I said, it's not, we have to put a couple more things away, but it's like the whole house is clean. We threw everything out that we need to throw out, so it's all done, completed. I can do whatever the heck I want to the house now. Like, without any time crunch, I can start in the chicken coop stuff, which I need to do very soon because the chickens are, I don't think they're happy, I'm going to be honest.
They just need a little extra room to play this summer.
It's a decent amount. They have a decent amount of room. They have probably, I think they have 15, it's 15 by 15. Like the outside and the inside's bigger. They have plenty of room, but I just need to, it'd be nice to get them to have at least like 10 more feet into some taller grass where the bugs are and stuff. But yeah, and I can start on my deck. I mean, there's so many things I'm going to start on, but now I can do it because the whole, if Magnolia came today, I finished everything that I wanted to finish before she came. So that's awesome. But that's about it. Y'all stay safe. Stay healthy.
Can I say it? Love y'all. Peace.
Love y'all. Peace.